Welcome back, everybody. I'm Andre. Yeah, I had a craving and I have these beautiful bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs, and I was like, you know what? I had some plans, but you know what? I wanted to do something faster, tastes great, it's easier, that all you guys can do as well, and that's tacos. We're gonna get these open and out on this tray, and there's just one thing I'm actually going to do to these. These look great. Normally I would leave the skins on, but since I'm smoking them, I don't like how the skin turns out in the smoker. So I'm going to take the skins off because I want that smoke on that meat, and I want it to flavor that meat, not the skins. So this way, this is my thinking, the smoke is going to hit the meat and flavor the meat, because if I leave the skins on, they're going to get all the smoke, and I would take it off anyways because I don't want them in the tacos because they're not going to be crispy. Anyways, I'm going to do that, and then we're going to spice them up. Got all that done. I've got my normal rub, the salt, pepper, ancho, and garlic. That's all I'm going to use on these guys. I know you're probably thinking this is a lot. It is, but I'm already thinking about what I'm going to do with the leftovers. And I was thinking, if you wanted to, you could also take some of these skins, crisp them up, and use them as a topping. So, I'm just gonna... That is all she wrote, and to the smoker we go. Okay, the smoker's going. It is at 225 right now, which is good. That's where I want it. And then just do that. And yeah, it's nicer out. People are doing outside stuff, so if you hear stuff in the background, there we go. They look beautiful. In they go. Easy peasy. We're just gonna cook them, get them fully cooked, bring them up to internal, and then get them inside. Take the bones out, chop them up. That easy. They are done. We're finally back inside, and I'm gonna take them now and debone them and then chop them up. I'm adding those extra gloves because they are still hot. I don't want to burn myself. So look how tender they are. They just fall apart. They're steaming hot. Pull that meat off. And that's all we're doing. Boom. Oh, they're so juicy. So I'm just going to show you. Knife. And I'm just cutting them down into smaller pieces. That's going to fit nicely into the taco. That's it. That's as small as I'm going to chop it down. I'm just going to throw them into another bowl. I'm going to finish that, and then we're going to eat some tacos. And just like magic, we're done. And you know what, honestly, sometimes it's just easier to buy the shells. I could have made them, but I didn't have certain stuff. It's okay to cut corners sometimes. So I got smoked salsa. I can show you a video how to do that. I've got smoked aged white cheddar, sour cream, and pickled jalapenos video up there. Now load them up as much as you want. These are yours. I'm gonna go a little heavy on the meat. I'm okay with that. I'm not a big lettuce guy on my tacos, so that's why I don't have any. Boom. Boom. And a few pickled jalapenos. You know what? You can make most of this stuff yourself. That's why I like showing you guys that yes, you can make stuff yourself. Now I gotta dive in. You guys ready? I'm ready. All that smoky goodness, that's a winner. That smoked salsa, the sour cream, the cheese, those jalapenos all work so well together. You will like this. All right, everybody, I'm gonna go stuff my face off camera. They're fantastic. You gotta do this yourself. You know, it could be chicken, could be beef, could be pork, whatever. I just had those and that's what I did. For me, that's a winner. Very simple, not a lot of ingredients, but you can do most of this yourself. Anyways, I'm done. Thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe and leave me some comments. And like always, happy eating.